Hello cool coders. Today we are going to diving into the world of Angular modules, those nifty container for organizing your code and keeps everything neat and tidy. So, what's an Angular module? Think of it as a box of Legos. You wouldn't want your Lego pieces scattered on the ground, right? Modules are like Lego organizer for your Angular app. Now the cool thing about Angular module is that they encapsulate functionalities. Imagine you are building a house. You wouldn't want your kitchen stuff mixed it up with your bedroom stuff. Same goes for your code as well. Module keeps everything in its proper place. Creating a module is like a piece of cake. Just use the generate module command with your module name in your terminal and hit enter. You just got yourself a module. But wait, there's more. Modules can import and export components, services, pipes, and also other modules. It's like having a library card. You borrow what you need and return what you don't. This promotes code reusability and make your code base dry. Now let's talk about lazy loading. It's like opening a section of a theme park that you want to visit. Lazy loading module can improve performance by loading what's necessary and when it's needed. Dependency injection is another superhero move of Angular module. It's like having a sidekick who fetches what you need and when you need it. Modules make easy inject services into your component, keeping your code base dry. But hold your horses, we are still going. Angular also has a feature called feature module. It's like adding expansion to your Lego set. Each feature module can add new functionality without cluttering up with the main module. It's like building a Lego city with distinct districts. Wrapping it up, Angular module is your code organizer, Lego organizer, superhero sidekick, and also your Lego city planner rolled into one. So go ahead and start using Angular modules in your project and watch your code become as organized as superhero layer. Thanks for spending this time with me, and I will catch you at the next one. Happy coding!